Okay, in this video I'm going to show two different ways of doing bangs. One of them, which is the first one, is going to be a little heavier, and this is when somebody have fine hair and have the illusion of having more thickness or fullness to the hair. Then this is going to be with low elevation, and then the second one is going to be with a little bit of elevation to add more movement, and this is for somebody that have normal to a lot of hair or more density. Let's start with the center part. So this is going to divide right and left, so we have to make sure that it's balanced, it's perfect, that we have the same amount of hair on both sides. And from there we're going to start our triangle. The triangle from this point of the forehead or hairline to the back, it can be up to 3 or 4 fingers depending on how big you want to do that section and how much hair you want to have on your bangs. So after creating the part, then we're going to take 2 diagonal sections that is going to be from the recession area all the way to the top of the head in this area. So let's do that. So I'm going to choose a different color, blue, and then from recession area to this part, so we can do this, and then we can repeat the same in the opposite side. Once you have the triangle, then we're gonna start combing the hair one side to the opposite side. So let's talk about this section first. So from here to here, what's gonna happen when you comb the hair in a natural fall, this corner here is gonna be longer than this one. I'm gonna explain that part here. So this is gonna be longer and this is gonna be shorter. And that's what creates the hair shorter in the center to longer on the side to move away from the face. And this is actually the perfect way to do the 70s inspired swipe bangs. So now I'm gonna explain it right here with a different head sheet. So again, we start here with the center profile part. That's gonna divide right and left. And then our section here is gonna be, let me put it on blue, right here, from here, to the recession area, right? So when you comb the hair, and I'm gonna change the color now into this yellow. So I'm gonna comb the hair to this side, and then I'm gonna cut it. So when you comb the hair, again, natural fall, which is gonna be down, then you're gonna notice the hair is gonna be, let me change to another color. I'm gonna use pink now. So the hair is gonna be here shorter, and then it's gonna be longer. So that what create the really nice shorter to longer swipe bangs. And then we're gonna use this one as an explanation. So again, I have my center part. We don't see it right now because it's from the side, but let's think that this is right here, right? So this is going to be my fringe area. From there, you can use 90 degrees, or you can go a little lower than that. This can be a little longer, right? And then you can cut from short to long. That way, when you comb the hair down into a natural fall, you're still gonna have that really nice bang, but it's gonna be a little softer. It's gonna have more movement to the hair. So again, when you want something a little heavier, we have more illusion of density and fullness, then the elevation should be low. If you want more movement to the hair, and you want more softness into that line, then you have to add more elevation into that. So I hope this help understand a little more the difference between doing a swipe bangs that is going to be heavier than one that is going to be softer and with movement. And you can actually leave a comment asking questions if you want to see something in a future video.